Adding an EBT card to the Sam's Club app is actually a pretty simple process, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. This will allow you to use your EBT benefits when shopping at Sam's Club, both in-store and during checkout where eligible items apply. So let's go ahead and get started. First, make sure you have the Sam's Club app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Keep in mind that only EBT-eligible items can be paid for using your EBT card. When you're ready, head over to the checkout section in the app. During checkout, you'll see an option that says Add an EBT card. Tap on that option to begin the process. Next, you'll be asked to enter some basic information. This includes your first and last name along with your EBT card number. Carefully type in the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you've entered the information, your EBT card will be added to your Sam's Club account. After the card is added, you'll see a checkbox that allows you to select EBT as a payment method. Make sure this box is checked. Then slide or confirm the option to pay using your EBT card. At this point, Sam's Club will ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your device, this may be done using Face ID, fingerprint authentication, or your account's security settings. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your EBT card PIN. This is the same PIN you normally use with your EBT card, so enter it carefully. After entering your PIN, the payment will be processed. If you're shopping in-store, the app may generate a barcode at the end of checkout. Simply show this barcode to a Sam's Club associate at the exit and they'll scan it to confirm your purchase. And that's it. Your payment will be completed using your EBT benefits for eligible items. I hope this video helped you understand how to add and use an EBT card on the Sam's Club app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.